Welcome back to the world of biology. Today we are going to learn some basic concept of the chemistry. Chemistry is nothing but the study of a physical and chemical properties and their changes. So this is in the form of a matter. So that is nothing but matter which has mass and volume, nothing but which have space or mass and volume. So this matter is further divided or types of matters are like solid, liquid and gases. So about this you have learnt in previous classes. So today for this session we are going to learn about the properties of matter and their measurement. Coming for the properties, they are of categorized into two. One is physical and one is chemical properties. So coming for the physical properties, whatever you are seeing externally, so we measured observed without any change in the chemical composition का change नहीं रहता है, but whatever you see externally, that is nothing but physical properties like color, order, melting point, boiling point or density. Coming for the chemical properties, there will be change, that is when one form is changed to another form where the substance undergo chemical changes. So that is nothing but chemical property. For example, coal burns in the presence of air to releases or produces a gas called as carbon dioxide. Magnesium ribbon burns in the presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Mg plus O2 gives rise to MgO. So there is a chemical change taking place in this example. So that is nothing but the chemical properties. Next, going with the measurement of properties. So measurement of all the properties are measured in units. Units में एक standard unit रहता है. We accepted, international system accepted a standard units called as, we mentioned or known it as a units. So many properties of matter such as mass, length, area, pressure, volume, time, etc. are measured in units or quantitative in nature. So they are expressed by a number followed by units, which it is. For example, length of the classroom we can measure. That is nothing but it is 10 meters or 15 meters. You will measure it. So that term or standard term is called as the units. So these units, there are several units which we express like SI unit, nothing but International System Unit, CGS unit, FPS units and MKS units. So we measure in length, we measure in mass and we measure in time. For coming for CGS, it is a centimeter, gram and second. So yeah, you can see here C is nothing but centimeter, G is nothing but gram and S is nothing but time. FPS is nothing but a foot, pound and second. MK is nothing but meter, kilogram and second. So this is about the measurement of the properties. Next going or dealing with main important physical properties. So for the physical properties, as we discussed that these appear or measured, observed without change in the chemical composition. So there will be no change in the chemical composition. So such type properties comes under the physical properties. For example, we are going to learn about the mass, weight, temperature, volume. Okay? So let us see first one with the mass and weight. So mass is nothing but the amount of matter present in a system. Mass is nothing but amount of substance present in a system. That is nothing but it is a fundamental property then to the weights. So in SI unit system, it is measured in kg or kilogram. Okay, so SI units is nothing but International System of Unit. In 1960 it was weighed and measured and proposed by a system called as International System. So SI is nothing but International System. So here you can see length, some of the fundamental units. Length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, time is measured in seconds and electric current is measured in ampere, thermodynamic temperature is measured in kelvins and amount of substance is measured in mole and luminous intensity is measured in candela or Curie. So these are some of the units we will learn in this chemistry part. So next going with any length. सो लेंथ इज नथिंग बट द मेजरमेंट ऑफ अ डिस्टेंस. एक डिस्टेंस को मेजर करना, वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज अ लेंथ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल atomic radius, bound length, wavelength. So for example atomic radius, so if you take a circle from center of the circle to the end of the circle, we call it as the radius. So we can measure that length distance we are measuring is called as the atomic radius. Coming for the bound, C कार्बन कार्बन का बीच में जो bond present होता है, we are measuring the bound length. So that is nothing but the bound length. So measuring or measure of the distance is called as the bound length. So these are the quantity or very small fractions. For example, SI unit of length are expressed in nanometer as well as the picometer. So 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 meter and 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 12 meter. So this is about the length which we are measure of distance. Next, going with any volume. The volume is nothing but the amount of space occupied by an object in 3-dimensional. So that one is called as the volume. So it do not have any or it does not depend upon the shape. You can see here the shape of the cylinder, shape of the pipette and shape of the burette and volume on shape of the flask. But here you can measure the volumes. In cylinder you can see the volume is measured, pipette ka shape and uska volume ka measure. So these are the does not depend upon the shape, but this volume is measured mainly for the liquids as well as the gases. So SI unit is nothing but liter. So we liters में measure करता है. So 1 liter is equal to 1 dm cube is equal to 1000 ml is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So 1000 centimeter cube is nothing but, so 1 dm is equal to, so 1 dm is equal to 10 centimeters. So 1000 dm cube is equal to 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter of volume. So the volume is expressed as the or in the meters or meter cube. So next, going with the density. So density is nothing but the substance mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume. We call it as the density. We call it as density. It is determined in the laboratory by measuring both the mass and the volume of sample. The density is calculated by dividing mass by volume, m by v. So SI unit of density is of mass and SI unit of volume is equal to kg per meter cube. So CGS unit is nothing but you can see gram centimeter minus cube. So this is about the density. Next, coming for the temperature. Temperature is a measure of hotness. Very hotness or coldness को measure of a substance को whether a substance is very hot or cold उसको measure करे तो it is called as the temperature. So there are 3 common scales to measure the temperature. One is degree Celsius में temperature को करता है and Fahrenheit में करता है and Kelvins में करता है. If you see here in the picture, this is nothing but Kelvin, Celsius and Fahrenheit. So this is about the temperature. Thank you for this session. If you like, please share and subscribe to my channel.